Okay, is this thing on? Let's see what we got here. So, market's overextended. Uh, Let me see if we have any news today. What day is it today? Tuesday. We don't have anything today, so it's an open trading day. Um, I mean, I can hear myself, Nick. I mean, I can hear myself. Might be your YouTube or something. Okay, so my job's changed to 11. I'm doing good, Nick. I'm doing good. Much better now. Much better now. Been preoccupied with a lot of shit, so but I feel good now. And that's good that you can trade. um yeah, dude, if you give yourself like an hour a day, I mean you're fine. Like I always preach, dude, it's literally it's a marathon, not a sprint, bro. It's a marathon. You're trying to last the longest. Okay, so we have the market sign off here. There's nothing for me to do here. So I have to wait. Okay. So here on the two, we're still very overextended. We're about to break that 200 EMA over here. Let's bring up the 5 minute. So the 5 minutes pretty bearish here. This good stochastic. Okay, so we're coming down on the 5 minute. We're selling off. We're gonna wait to see what happens here. We had a huge runner up, and now we're coming down. That RSI is cooked already. We're gonna see what happens here on the 2 minute. The 200 EMA on the 5 is right here. It's right there. So we'll see. Just a game of patience. I just need to make $50 today, and then I can get my payout. So I don't need that much of a big move. It's still got Super Trend holding it up. So we'll see what happens here. I'm gonna watch this candle here to see if it holds to the downside. I might scalp it down. I have Blue Sky Trading. Oh, and Apex. I still have my one lucky account that I trade conservative with Apex. That's the one oh shit. That's the one that I've been getting payouts in. Damn, I just kicked my screen. Am I good? Yeah, I think I'm good. Yeah, I have blue sky. Blue sky and Apex. So here we're not gonna do anything because it's totally on super trend. We're still gonna wait. I would love to go to the to go long instead of short though, because the momentum is to the upside, but it looks like we got rejected twice off of this area, and we're getting bought back up right here. So, yeah, they're a low key prop firm. They're not one of the popular ones, but they're good. So let me. I want to see if there's anything that will block my way. Any trend lines that will block my way. What's this? Let me take this out. Let me take that out. Stock market is moving crazy right now. So it looks like right here I have this trend line that I have to watch out for. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. We come to the 30 minutes over here. I mean, we are uptrending, so okay. And are we hitting that 200? Yes, we are. We're hitting that 200 on a 30-minute. Okay, let me take this out. So we're still coming down. We're getting rejected off of that 200 EMA on the 30-minute. So even though I want to go long, we're constricted right here. Damn, why can't this come off? Oh yeah, it did come off. So let's come back to the 5 over here. And we're still coming down. Let's go to the 2. So we're holding right there. We're compressed. We're compressed over here. I'm not gonna be hasty though. I'm not gonna be hasty to, pull the trigger. I have to wait and see what really happens here. Because this could easily just be a pullback. Even though it broke this low, it could just be a pullback to keep going up. So we're gonna keep on waiting. We're gonna keep on waiting. So it's a good thing that I did go short. Looks like I need to go long. I need everything to curl back though, so it's gonna be a little while till we get there. Scalp out with 190. Good. You're making more money than me, bro. Good for you, bro. I mean, if you're okay with the dollar amount, then you should be done. That's what I do. That's how I get paid. I'm okay with the dollar amount that I make. Well, it's more than I'll get in an hour in any job, so it's all good, bro. I gotta wait to shoot my shot though. See here. And good, that's a good mentality to have, dude. Don't give it back. Never give it back. Live to trade another day, bro. Live to trade another day. So we're gonna keep on waiting here. What time is it? 9:44. So let's see if by 10 o'clock we can break above the 200 on a 30-minute. It's like a day and a half of work. That's amazing, bro. And you made it so quick in just in a few minutes. That's literally the power of the market. The convenience of time. That's what the market is, the convenience of time, making the best out of your time. So what I am waiting for price to break to the upside. It's failed twice though on the same level over here. There's a pivot level right over here, and it's failed that twice already. Trying to go up a third time to see if it breaks out. We will see if it happens or not. So I'll go short if the candles break the lower low and keep coming down. But it also has to break the super trend over here. Or I'll go long if it breaks out and my indicators turn green. So I gotta wait for it to turn green regardless. So we're just stuck in chop right now. What's 9:46? So it looks like we have our opening range over here. So um, we are trapped in the opening range. What's good, my boy? So we need to break out of here. As soon as we break out of this opening range, I'm going long or short either way. Long or short either way. It's been 9:45. It's 9:46 now, and we're stuck on the orb. We're stuck on the 15-minute orb. So a breakout on any side is gonna be the move down or up. Which plan is good for blue sky? There is no good plan for blue sky, bro. It's whichever you prefer. Whichever you prefer. It's whatever your risk is and shit. Um, I think they have a promo code though. Um, they don't have a. I mean, they're a little pricey, but they're good. Um, yeah, this is their. No, you can get more than 30%. Um, you get it for premium 129. I think this is more than 30% for these accounts. Oh, I have a 25K and a 75K. I have these two. All right. So still waiting on price action to do something. Looks like the move happened already in pre-market right over here, but we fell twice. So I'm kind of thinking that we're gonna come down, but we're gonna have to wait till we break that orb. And I'm not willing to get on a break of the orb until it's a 5 minute candle break on the orb. I don't want to do it on the 2 minute candle break. 15-minute orbs, from what I've seen, mostly respect 5 minute candles. So if you get a 5 minute candle over a 15-minute orb, it'll respect it much more than like a 1 minute or 2 minute because it could just because that could just be the wick of the 5 minute candle. It can come down, but then within like 3 minutes come back up and stay at the orb. I've seen that so many times. Is that fan going up? We are freezing here, man. The fan? Oh, you can hear the fan? Can you hear the fan? I didn't know you could hear it. Okay, so if it breaks, put it in the background shadow. So if this breaks to the downside, I'm gonna look at these levels right here. Negative 27, negative 618. So it looks like we're breaking down below, but we need a 5 minute candle break. So we'll see what happens here. Shorts might be it. NQ rejected hard. Yeah, bro. I'm thinking the same thing. I think it's gonna be shorts, bro. We have two rejections right over here. Clear as day, bro. Clear as day. Right here and right here on the same pivot level. Rejection, rejection. Trying to come back up, but it's not allowing that to happen. We also, is there a, did we get rejected here at 2? No, we got rejected up here yesterday. Um, yeah, so whatever. Current candles are telling me that we're gonna come down, but we shall see who wins this battle between the sellers and buyers. I do not know yet. Until we break that orb, that's when it's gonna tell me who's winning or not. 5 minute swinging 100 points to both directions. God damn. Let me take a look at MNQ, bro. Oh, that shit's a choppy ass mess right now, bro. So what we doing? What's up, Mark? Breaking out. I'm not trading this. I'm waiting for my live account to be activated. Take long. You took longs on the demo? Man, you're crazy, dog. This shit too crazy right now, bro. Bro, I bro, I'm sizing down, bro. I'm sizing down, bro. Straight up. There's some crazy price action happening, dog. Dude, we've been stuck on the orb for the past 10 minutes. We're slowly curling on back though, so I don't know, bro. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. I'll tell you what, I'm not gonna wait all day for this shit, bro. 'It's too choppy right now, dude. Price action doesn't know what to do. Like we broke out this morning, and again, two big swings up. Now nobody knows what direction to go. So we're forced to wait to play the waiting game. And I'm definitely gonna fucking wait. I'm not gonna be caught up in chop. Absolutely not, bro. Absolutely not. Dude, I haven't been caught up in chop in the longest, dude. I just noticed that shit. I haven't been caught up in chop in the longest. 5 minute ATR and MNQ is 100 points. God damn, bro. Uh, Russell Longs, no, bro. Russell's not doing shit. It's not doing shit right now, bro. Like, I'm only going long if it's breaking out to the upside. I mean, you can go long to like the top of the orb, but that's not worth it for me. It's getting there. NQ starting to break up to the upside. Let's take a look. Click long and close your eyes, man. You tripping, bro? I'm trying to get paid out. Dude, I just need to make 50 bucks today and I get paid. Let's take a look at MNQ. Yeah, like I said, like I just need to make $50 and I'm good so I can apply for my next payout. Yeah, it looks like it is breaking up to the upside. Probably use like the 90 MA as your risk. Like have like your stop loss like right over here. Keep that bitch nice and tight. Nice and tight. Yeah, I see this NQ doing 150 points going long. Man, that shit crazy, bro. That should be taking like your fucking soul, your kids, everything, your house. Enter 1 minute and close real quick. Just you can do an ATM strategy with NQ. Have like 1 minute and like have a take profit of like 4 takes. Just on fucking big ass swings like that, and just do that shit twice. You'll get like $200 or something like that. Dude, this shit's not doing anything, bro. God damn. Dude, I don't think it wants to go. I don't think it wants to go long. I don't think it wants to go long, bro. But who the fuck am I? I mean, we're coming on up. We're coming on up. Let me see. Wait, let me take a look at it. MNQ. Did it break its opening range? Damn. Let me see. Yeah, it did break its opening range. Okay, so we do have a breakout to the upside on the Nasdaq. On the Russell, still nothing. Still nothing on the Russell. Wait till 11. It's a long time from now, bro. I don't even think I'm gonna wait that long. We're getting somewhere. You're in long right now. Good luck, bro. Russ next stop 1932. 1932? Where the fuck you get that? We're getting there slowly but surely. We're coming on up. RSI is strengthening up. MACD is strengthening up. We're still good. Mark, are you gonna take that are you gonna take that take profit at that level? What level was it? 18,700? Or you're gonna try to hold and see if you can get a breakout? Man, we're not doing anything, bro. Jesus. How big are these can? I don't think these candles are too big. Let's see. That's how I check the ATR. Yeah, the ATR is pretty fucking big right now. Holy shit. Oh, why delete that? Let me see. Let me measure this candle right here. How big is this candle? Yeah, 71. Yeah. Yeah, we got a pretty big ATR for the Russell. The market is fucking crazy, bro. And then we have CPI and PPI this week too. I think today and tomorrow are the only days of normalcy. You're gonna take some off? Good. Nothing wrong with taking some profit, bro. Still stuck on that orb. Damn, bro. The 2 minutes weakening over here. I don't know, bro. I think we really are going short, to be honest with you. Because the MACD on the 5 minutes, since I'm playing for the 5 minutes, it still hasn't crossed. We'll see. Okay. Looks like we're doing something. All right, so it's holding the moving address. That's why I see him. Longs. Um, bro, if he took profit, that's amazing. But let me take a look at MQ. He said it's holding the moving averages. Averages. It really is holding the moving average. It's holding up good. It might reverse. Who knows? I don't know. We never know the future. We'll see. Ugh, I hate those orb trap days. Yeah, I'm gonna wait like 30 more minutes. If not, I'm just gonna be out because I'm not gonna be sitting here all fucking day. All fucking day. Let's see. I mean, the RSI is moving up, still staying strong up. Mm. And we're making here's a lower high, well, a lower low, then it broke. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I mean, it is coming up slowly but surely. It's coming up. Just a game of patience, to be honest with you. I sent you a picture of the moving averages. Um, what do you use? What are you using? Like the 9, the 20, and 50 or something like that? What moving averages are those? Okay. Slowly coming up, yeah, with the anchored VWAP. Okay, we're finally doing something here. We're trying to break to the upside. We're trying to break that pivot level. Um, we need to get past the pivot level and the break of the orb, and we're money. So we're getting there. The 9 and 20 with the same with the settings change. What other settings can there be with the 9 and 20 EMA? What's the secret sauce, bro? What secret sauce do you have on the EMAs? I use the 9 EMA and the whole sweep band for wrist. Because price respects both. It respects the bands and the 9 EMA. So I'd be using that as my risk. Finally, we're coming on up. We got a MACD cross over here on the 5 minute. Right over here, we got a MACD cross. It just needs to hold. We're coming on up. We're breaking out over here. Can't be too hasty. There's a pivot level right over here. We're trying to break above that. So we'll see. We just need to break on top of the orb, and I think we're money. There's a trend line over here all the way up there. But that's a long ways to go. So I have nothing to worry about. I just need to break. Um, there's three things that are in my way: the pivot level, the top of the orb, and pre-market high. Those three things are in my way right now. But I'm mostly just worried about the pivot level and the top of orb. Pre-market high, I'm not too worried about that, even though that is a form of resistance over here. Um, that's a double top right there. Literally, it's a double top. So it came down, but we're trying to come back for air once again. And as you can see on the 2 minute, getting close to that orb and the pre-market high, we got sellers stepping in and bringing that shit down. Who's gonna win the battle? We don't know. I'm just playing the momentum. Nothing but long. Bro, I like confirmation, bro. I mean, preferably it's going long right now, but I need more confirmation than that. That boy, that boy sent me the special sauce of the EMAs. I think it's funny. So let's do this Fibonacci retracement over here. So if we go long, these are two areas that I would see price action react to where it could possibly extend. Where it could possibly extend. Measuring the swing high, swing low, swing high of this 2 minute move will give me extension levels to go up to. So this could be possibly areas of where I could take profit and stuff like that if it breaks out. If it breaks out. The slow trading day, my boys. The slow trading day. We're holding that 9 EMA though, so which is a good thing. We're holding it on the 2 and we're holding it on the 5 over here. We're holding that 9 EMA on the 5 minute coming on up. So we got rejected by that pivot level right here. Like I said, I need a breakout above here. I want a 5 minute breakout. So probably in order for me to go long, I And dude, that ATR is massive. The super trend is all the way down there. I'm gonna need like some pretty good breathing room to get this move. So in order for me to go long, I need a 5 minute break above here. I still need my indicators in the 2 minute to be green. I need the candles to be green, and I need a MACD cross staying still. I need multiple confluences to go along. But it's just taking its sweet fucking time. Sweet fucking time, bro. Gotta go to work. Alright, bro. Peace out. I'll let you know. I'll let you know if I went on this long, bro. Getting a heart reaction down. Looks like those longs are not holding. We are rejecting yesterday's highs. Uh, Yesterday's highs is all the way up here. So is it on NQ? Is that what you're talking about? Probably, right? I think so. So price action is selling off over here. We got a MACD cross. It hasn't held yet. We shall see what happens. Again, I am not going short till we break that orb because we're trapped in the orb and we have to respect it. On NQ, yeah, yeah, I figured. Yeah, the party has to end sometime. We had that massive push up. It'll be pretty amazing if it pushes up again. Oh wait, hold on. I just noticed I'm not even logged in. Give me a second here. So we're still coming down. I don't think we're gonna do anything. I really don't think so. I've been waiting here for an hour or something and no trades took. Looks like I'm not gonna be able to trade today. I'm not gonna force anything at all. We'll see. I'm gonna give it like 10 more minutes to like break up to the upside to like 1040. And if it doesn't break up to the upside, which I doubt it will happen, then I'm just gonna call it a day. Just gonna call it a day. Okay. Showing some promise right now. It's gonna do anything. Let's just chop. It's just chop. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna do anything, to be honest. You gonna have a hard sell off or what? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? You're short on M and Q? Uh, let me take a look. Let's take a look. Why? Why are you short MNQ? Why did you short, would you take a short at the rejection at the top of of yesterday's high? Is that why? Is that why? There's some crazy chop over here. Okay. I'm out of here. I'll be back tomorrow. Price action is not gonna, it's not gonna do anything at all. We've been sitting here for a while. It's not gonna do shit, so I'll take it as a non-trading day, I guess. Are we gonna do something? No, we're not gonna do nothing. All right, guys. I'm gonna be out of here. This is not, it's not gonna do anything at all. It's not gonna do anything at all. I really don't think so. All right, guys. Peace out.